Number 1. What does she have?
She has a glue. She has glue.
You must use what? What does she have? One more time.
She has glue. She has some glue.
Yes. Number 2. Where was she this morning? Where is she now?
Where she is there? She was.
Do you know this unit? Unit 2.
No,
So tell me what is this?
I don't know.
This is what? This is English. What do you know?
Sorry.
Stairs.
She's on the stairs, and now she's in the nurse's office.
Okay, can you make sentence one more time?
And she was on the stairs this morning. Now she is on nurse's office.
Yes. Don't be nervous. Number 3. Where is the skateboard?
The skateboard is in the bathroom.
There. Number 4. What are they wearing?
They wearing t-shirt.
Wait a second. They
are wearing t-shirts.
Okay. Number 5. Which slippers are these?
These are Sandra's slippers.
Number 6. Does he ever ride a motorcycle at work?
And he sometimes ride a motorcycle at work.
Number 7. When does he do homework?
And he sometimes does her homework after school.
Very good. Number 8. What's her job?
She's a veterinarian.
What does a sales clerk do?
A sales clerk sells things.
Okay. Number 10. Which one is taller, a tree or a flower?
A tree.
Okay. No. Can you make sentence?
A tree is taller than a flower.
Thank you. Very good. Bye bye.